Listen up. Right now, you are exactly where you deserve to be. Not because of your circumstances, not because of some outside force, but because of the choices you've made, and more importantly, the way your mind is programmed. Your mindset, your beliefs, your habits, they're the foundation of your success or your failure. But here's the truth. You have the power to change it all, to rewire, to reprogram your mind so that success isn't just something you hope for, it's something you automatically create. And I'm here to show you exactly how to do that, how to train your brain to operate at the highest level possible so you can break through any barrier and live the life of your dreams. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jordan, I'm doing everything I can. I'm working hard, I'm grinding, I'm hustling. But if you're not seeing the results you want, if you're not absolutely dominating your goals, then guess what? Something's off in your programming. Success is a mind game. It's not about luck. It's not about who you know or where you came from. It's about how you think, how you approach the world, and how you take action. And when you reprogram your mind for success, when you install the right beliefs, the right habits, the right mindset, everything changes. Step 1. The mind is like a market. You need to invest in the right thoughts. Let me tell you something. Your mind is like the stock market. It's always fluctuating, always moving, and you've got to decide what you're investing in. Are you investing in thoughts of success, or are you investing in thoughts of failure? Picture this. You're a trader on Wall Street. You've got all the information in front of you. You see the trends, the data, the potential gains and losses. Now, are you going to invest in stocks that are tanking? Of course not. You're going to invest in winners. Your thoughts are no different. You need to invest in the thoughts that grow your wealth, your success, your future. Every time you entertain a thought of doubt, fear, or failure, you're investing in something that's going to give you negative returns. So from this moment on, I want you to become the CEO of your mind. Every thought is a potential investment. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me or hurting me? Is it moving me forward or holding me back? And if it's not serving you, cut it loose. Drop it. Don't let a single negative thought take up space in your mind. Step 2. Success is a habit. You need to train your mind like an athlete. Look, you wouldn't expect to become a world-class athlete by sitting on the couch all day, right? Success works the same way. It's a habit. It's something you train for every single day. And guess where that training happens? In your mind. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. And if you're not actively training it for success, you're passively training it for failure. Every single day, you need to wake up and condition your mind for success. You need to create rituals, habits, and routines that push you toward your goals. You need to visualize your success, see it so clearly in your mind that it feels like it's already happening. Because when you see it, when you believe it, your brain starts to act like it's real. It starts to move toward that reality. Athletes don't wait for game day to train. They're training every day, every hour, every minute. And that's how you need to approach your success. Every decision, every action, every thought, train it for success. That's how winners are made. Step 3. Your beliefs shape your reality. Upgrade them. Let me hit you with some hard truth right now. You are where you are today because of your beliefs. The beliefs you hold about money, success, your potential, they're creating your reality. Think of your beliefs like the foundation of a skyscraper. If your beliefs are weak, if they're shaky, guess what? Your skyscraper's going to crumble before it ever gets built. But when your beliefs are rock solid, unshakable, you can build as high as you want. So let me ask you, what are your beliefs about success? Do you believe you deserve to be wealthy? Do you believe you have what it takes to achieve greatness? Or are you holding on to limiting beliefs, like I'm not good enough or success is for other people? You've got to upgrade your beliefs. You've got to install new, empowering beliefs that fuel your success. And here's the kicker. You can choose your beliefs. You can reprogram them, just like upgrading the software in your computer. Start telling yourself, I'm unstoppable. I deserve success. I create wealth easily and effortlessly. The more you repeat these beliefs, the more they become part of who you are, and the more your reality shifts to match them. That's how powerful your mind is. Step 4. Fear is a temporary roadblock. Drive through it. Here's the deal. Fear is nothing but a roadblock. It's not a stop sign, it's a speed bump. Most people, when they hit that bump, they stop. They let fear dictate their decisions, and they never reach their full potential. But you? You're not most people. You're going to push through it, because fear is temporary. It's a signal, not a death sentence. Fear is just your mind trying to protect you from the unknown. But guess what? The unknown is where success lives. Think about this. When you're in the market making big moves, there's always risk involved, right? You can't predict the future, but you don't let that stop you. You don't let fear of losing a trade paralyze you. You push forward, you calculate the risk, and you take action. Life works the same way. You're going to face fear, you're going to doubt yourself at times. But the key is this: don't stop. Keep moving. Fear isn't the enemy, inaction is. If you push through the fear, you'll find that on the other side is everything you've ever wanted. Step 5. Surround yourself with winners. Your network is your net worth. You've heard this before. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to reprogram your mind for success, you need to surround yourself with people who already think like winners. Look, if you're hanging out with people who are stuck in negative mindsets, who are always complaining, who never take action, guess what? That energy is going to rub off on you. You're going to absorb their limiting beliefs and their excuses, and before you know it, you'll be thinking small like they do. But when you're surrounded by winners, by people who are achieving massive success, by people who are constantly leveling up, you start to think differently. You start to adopt their mindset, their habits, their way of operating in the world. Your environment is crucial. Winners hang out with winners. Champions roll with champions. So look around you. Who's in your circle? And if they're not pushing you to be better, if they're not raising your game, it's time to upgrade your network. Step 6. Take massive, imperfect action. Success doesn't wait for perfection. Let me tell you something right now. Success rewards action, not perfection. If you're sitting around waiting for the perfect moment, waiting until everything's just right, you're going to be waiting forever. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Think about the greatest entrepreneurs, the best traders. They didn't wait until they had all the answers. They made bold moves, they took risks, and they adjusted as they went. They acted and they learned along the way. You need to do the same. Take massive, imperfect action. Start before you're ready. Make the call. Launch the business. Invest in yourself. Because while everyone else is sitting around, planning, doubting, second-guessing, you're out there, making moves, creating momentum, and building your future. And here's the best part. The more you take action, the more confident you become. Action kills fear. It builds momentum, and before you know it, success becomes a habit. Step 7. Visualize your success. See it, feel it, live it. You want to reprogram your mind for success? Start by visualizing it. Every day, take time to close your eyes and see yourself living the life you want. Feel it. Experience the emotions as if it's already happening. This isn't some fluffy, feel-good exercise. This is how your brain works. When you visualize success, your mind starts to believe it's real. It starts to align your actions, your decisions, and your habits to make that vision come to life. The top athletes in the world use visualization. The best entrepreneurs use it. They see their success before it happens, and that's how they make it a reality. So I want you to commit to this practice. Every morning, before you start your day, take 5 minutes to visualize your goals. See yourself achieving them. Picture the lifestyle you desire, the freedom, the wealth, the impact. Feel that excitement coursing through your veins as you imagine living your dream. This is not just a nice idea, it's a powerful tool that can and will change your life. Step 8. Build resilience. Bounce back like a champion. Now let's talk about resilience. It's not just a buzzword, it's a critical component of success. You're going to face setbacks, you're going to encounter failures. But what sets the winners apart from the rest is their ability to bounce back. Picture a stock that plummets. What do the savvy investors do? They don't panic. They regroup, reassess, and look for the opportunity to buy low and sell high. You need that same mentality. When life knocks you down, you get back up, you learn from your mistakes, and you adapt. Resilience is about keeping your eyes on the prize, even when the going gets tough. So when you stumble, and trust me, you will, embrace it, learn from it. It's a stepping stone, not a stopping point. Step 9. Celebrate small wins. Build your success momentum. Success doesn't happen overnight, it's a journey. And on that journey, you need to celebrate your small wins. Each time you hit a milestone, no matter how small, acknowledge it. Why? Because each small victory builds momentum. It reinforces your new mindset and keeps you motivated to push forward. It's like compounding interest in your bank account. The more you celebrate, the more you encourage yourself to achieve the next goal. Keep a journal. Write down your wins. Reflect on your progress. The more you appreciate your achievements, the more you'll attract greater successes. Step 10. Take responsibility. Own your journey. Finally, understand this. You are the architect of your own destiny. No one else is responsible for your success or failure but you. The moment you take full responsibility for your life is the moment you regain your power. Stop blaming circumstances, stop pointing fingers, and stop making excuses. Own it all, the good, the bad, and everything in between. Because when you own it, you can change it. When you take responsibility, you have the power to shape your reality. You have the ability to pivot, to adapt, to make the necessary changes that will lead you to success. No more victim mentality. You are in control. And with that control comes freedom, the freedom to create the life you've always wanted. Conclusion: the future is yours. Start reprogramming today. So as we wrap up, let me remind you, success is a mindset. It's not about your current situation, your background, or your resources. It's about how you think, how you act, and how you believe in yourself. You've got to invest in the right thoughts, train your mind like an athlete, surround yourself with winners, and take massive action. Visualize your success, build resilience, celebrate your wins, and take responsibility for your journey. Remember, the future is in your hands. You have the power to reprogram your mind for success starting today. So don't wait. Get out there, take control, and create the life you deserve. You're destined for greatness. Go seize it.